Okay, so finally found time to work on this guide. This will basically be a guide on how to record what's on your computer screen. There's lots of stuff for this work from home, meetings, classes. So yeah, I guess this would be able to help you with that. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is download OBS Studio, which you could find here in this site. I'll be putting the link to the download in the description below. So yeah, okay, let's get to it. When you launch OBS, this is basically what you'll be seeing. Let's close all of these first. Right. Ignore these. These are the settings I have previously. So okay, how do you start recording what's on screen? First, you look here, you click Add, and you go to Display Capture, right? And name it whatever you want, and add it there. So you'll see the screen like that. You have the option of checking or unchecking whether it'll capture the cursor or not. So let's leave that on for now. So now there's a chance that it'll be too big, too small, or you can't see anything. So what you have to do is that display capture, you need to right click it and transform, then fit the screen. Click that. Now it'll be the one that will be displayed here. Alright, now after that setup, you should ideally lock it so they don't click and drag it by accident. And then you click Start Recording. Of course, when you want to stop, you click Stop. It should be found somewhere in the Documents / Videos folder. And that's basically it. If you want to record the audio, this part is for your mic. You could turn that on and off, and this is for the what's on your computer screen, what you're doing on your PC. Now, of course, if you want to record what's on screen, you might as well record the audio, right? Especially if you're at a meeting or something and you intend to use it for reference. So just leave that on. Yeah, that's basically it. For the settings, I guess I'm gonna add a link below on how to help you run it on lower end equipment, on the lower end PC. Someone already made a guide on that, so I won't bother with making it again. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope this video helped. See ya.